Welcome to this video about the Aspire Cricket Farm. Aspire Food Group's cricket plant in London, Ontario is the largest of its kind in the world. Aspire is a pioneer in the alternative protein industry, focusing on cricket farming for human and pet consumption. Aspire Food Group's business is a shift towards sustainable protein sources of insect farming to address global food security challenges, with focus on innovation, quality, and market expansion. Aspire is revolutionizing the food industry with cricket-based products. The facility currently employs around 100 people. The plant was built with cutting-edge technologies like an automated storage retrieval system, a new HVAC system, and a 5G network, and artificial intelligence solution recognized by UNESCO. The London facility is revving up production to meet its growing demand for cricket-based products globally. The plant is expected to produce 9,000 metric tons, that's approximately 20 million pounds of crickets annually for both human and pet consumption. Aspire already has orders for the next 2 years and aims to distribute about 2 billion insects annually across Canada and the United States. Additionally, Aspire has agreements to sell cricket powder for human consumption internationally. Like and subscribe. It's free and really helps the channel. So, are crickets good substitute for livestock? Crickets are being explored as a protein-rich superfood due to their nutritional value and smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional protein sources, that's cows, pigs, and chickens. Say goodbye to steaks and chicken wings. I really like chicken too. Your cricket burger will offer a complete protein source with rich vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Crickets provide a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, similar to eating salmon. These fatty acids are essential for various bodily functions and overall health. Crickets contain more iron per 100 grams than spinach. Popeye would be jealous. Crickets also offer significant amounts of calcium and fiber. Fiber supports gut health by sustaining the growth of probiotics. While crickets are rich in nutrients, especially protein, and are considered a sustainable protein source, there are valid worries about the safety of consuming insects. Despite nutritional benefits and environmental sustainability of crickets as a food source, insects can harbor various harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi that can cause illnesses like E. coli. Proper handling and processing are crucial to avoid biological contamination. Insects' exoskeleton contains chitin, so there is a potential for serious allergic reactions like seafood allergies. Insects are susceptible to chemical contamination, especially if eaten whole. Pesticides, toxic metals, and dioxins are some concerns with insect consumption. Take care of eating bugs whole, as crickets can pose a choking hazard due to their hard parts, like stingers, wings, and spines. Who knew? The idea of consuming bugs can be off-putting, to say the least. Overcoming this stigma may prove difficult in widespread adoption. Time will tell. Okay, now for the juicy stuff. Controversy surrounding Aspire Cricket in London, Ontario revolves around theories that implicate the cricket plant in a global scheme, suggesting that Aspire was tied to a World Economic Forum plan to substitute meat protein with cricket protein. This led to concerns and theories about producing crickets for human consumption. Now, I don't know if those theories are true, But the WEF Strategic Partners are a group of 100 leading companies from around the world committed to improving the state of the world and driving change through collaboration with the World Economic Forum. You know, the you will own nothing and you will be happy people. Aspire's success is supported by government investments and subsidies that aid in the development of sustainable food sources. The company received an investment of up to $8.5 million from the federal government to support its London operation. Aspire also received $16.8 million from the Next Generation Manufacturing, NGen, to support the construction of the cricket protein facility. NGen receives their funding money from the Canadian government, so 25.3 million Canadian taxpayer dollars are invested in the cricket factory. Chrystia Freeland, Canada's Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister, is a current WEF board member and has been for several years. The World Economic Forum receives varying amounts of funding annually from Canadian taxpayers to promote globalization. Aspire was recognized by UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, partners of the WEF, for Aspire's AI solution. In 2021, the Canadian government provided $2,915,095 to the WEF and $1.6 billion to various UN bodies. Aspire has also extended into Asian and European markets with major food processors like Lot Confectionery Corp., a global confectionery corporation renamed Lot Well Food in 2023, a strategic partner of the World Economic Forum. However good or bad, the United Nations UNESCO, Lot Well Food, a WEF strategic partner distributing Aspire's crickets globally, NGen, and other Canadian funding to the tune of $25.3 million to build the factory are all public facts, all fit the agenda for globalization. Or does it? Aspire's operation is futuristic, leading the way into the alternative protein industry. Eating bugs may be in our future one way or the other. Research is needed to ensure eating these critters is a safe substitute for protein like beef, pork, and chicken. A pound of cricket powder in Canada is priced around $48.95 Canadian. Not so cheap. Several stores sell it, including Walmart and Metro stores in Canada. However, you may already be consuming crickets. Read the ingredients on protein bars and tortilla chips. You may be surprised. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.